Hey, what's up guys? Hope you're having a great day. Sorry for the late upload. We had a little bit of a, well, not a little bit, we had a snow day here, a full-blown snow day in Northern Virginia. And as you can see here, the dogs were out having a great time. They don't last very long in the snow because of how small they are. But yeah, and then I had to get out there and shovel some. But anyways, this video, I have a niche for you guys that I want to put on your radar. I don't know the full scope of how popular it's going to get, but we have seen similar run-ups in terms of trends in the past. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you the niche. I'm going to show you some shirts that are best sellers in this niche already that we're kind of using as a guide that put this on our radar. I'm going to show you how you can go about creating good designs in this niche, because I know not everybody thinks they're a strong designer. I don't consider myself a strong designer. So I want to basically cover full spectrum for you. Also, even how to get keywords, even though, you know, I don't think it's always that complicated. Like in this case, it's a pretty straightforward set of keywords that you would want to target. But anyways, guys, if you're excited, let's get started. Real quick, just wanted to remind you to enter the weekly print on demand giveaway. It's completely free. This week, 2 winners are going to receive licenses to Flying Research, print on demand research tools, AutomatePOD, print on demand design creation automation, All American Graphics, premium pre-made graphics. I'm actually going to show you how they are relevant to the niche that I'm going to show you in this video, and Bubble Scout, the best Redbubble niche research tool. The link is at the top of the description. Also down there, join my 7-day Merch by Amazon mini course. All I need is your email. It's completely free. And I've got a great Merch by Amazon Facebook group. If you guys would like to join, I'd love to have you. All right, so the niche that I'm going to be showing you, this is just me running Jungle Scout, which more of an FBA research tool, but it's great for getting projections, accurate projections of how well products are selling on Amazon based on what category they're listed in and their BSR. So this product, one of the best sellers in this niche, BSR of 50,291, saying that it's making about 27 sales a day, 810 sales a month, bringing in a roughly estimate $13,000 a month in sales. That is awesome. All right. And it's priced at $15.99. So if my math is correct, they're making like $2 and change per sale. So making over $50 a day. Now the shirt is Let's Go Darwin. Again, I don't even understand the basis of why this is popular, so don't judge me. I truly don't know, and as a t-shirt seller, I genuinely don't care. I'm more interested in, like, number one, can I sell it? You know what I mean? So do your research. Is it trademarked? This one is not. So, and then I also made sure to look. I went through the whole checklist. I have that video called Is This Niche Safe? And I can link to it right here in the YouTube cards in case anybody hasn't seen it yet. You want to go through all of those things to try to make sure something's safe before you list it on Amazon through Amazon Merch. But I noticed a bunch of new designs were posted today, which is indicative of, you know, people are able to sell the shirt. So that's good. You got the green light there. The reason we should take notice, though, is because obviously this is similar to the Let's Go Brandon shirt that was extremely popular for a period of time. I mean, it's still selling a bunch, even though I don't even know how they're getting them listed on Amazon, because I thought Amazon wasn't letting people list them. Either way, though, you know, we don't know how big this is going to get. You know, I don't know what crowd it's catering to. Again, I don't care. But we saw what happened with Brandon, right? It started slow, and then overnight, it's like if the right news outlets or something, I don't know, it reaches like critical mass, though, in terms of going viral. And then overnight, someone's making like, you know, $10,000 in sales in a day, right? So why not give yourself a chance to be that person? If you have no shirts listed in this niche, you have no shot at making a sale. And again, we don't know how crazy it's going to get, but we have seen, like, there is a precedent to see something like this go crazy. All right. Now, if you use DS Amazon Quick View, a free Chrome extension, I can link to it in the description. You can see the bestseller rank in search results of your seed keywords or whatever you query that you type into Amazon. So here you see BSRs of 53,000, 50,000, 113,000. Next row, 275,000, 250,000, 230,000, 219,000. So all these are making regular sales with those BSRs, especially as BSRs are kind of cooling off out of December. You know what I mean? Keep in mind that, like, in December, with everything selling so well, you know, a general across the board increase in sales, lower BSRs are actually indicative of even higher sales velocity than outside of December. You know what I mean? In normal, 11 months out of the year time. But in December, a low BSR is actually like higher sales velocity than it would be any other time of year, because BSR is relative, guys. Remember that. So here, you know, row 3, 379,000, 369,000, 240,000, 227,000. Row 4, 400,000, 500,000, 300,000, 230,000. So even the shirts that aren't best sellers, still doing pretty well as far as daily sales go. You'll notice a theme in what design style is popular. A lot of red, white, and blue. A lot of stars. Got an American flag. So I'm going to show you at the end of this video how I would go about tackling designs for this niche and how, you know, you can crank out a handful of shirts. Because if you got the upload slots, guys, there's no reason not to use them. If you've got the upload slots, you know, make multiple designs. Basically, it can be very simple. I'm going to show you a very simple way. Okay. You can see here from Flying Research, the in-depth data. Actually, this shirt is showing a 39,000 BSR. So I'm guessing that, you know, I didn't scroll down far enough when I was taking screenshots. I'm guessing that the actual bestsellers are probably nested in a row, maybe 8, 9, 10 rows down the page. I don't know why Amazon does that recently, but they a lot of times do show the bestsellers kind of in the middle of the page. So 39,000 would be lower than what we saw previously. You can see here Flying Research puts recommended keywords, like the highest value keywords to target, down there at the bottom in a keyword section. So we got Darwin, let's, funny, sarcastic, men, women, t-shirt, great, brother, dad, friend. So basically your keywords that you're going to be targeting are let's go Darwin. You don't really need to guess. Everything after that is kind of just generic keywords that most t-shirts get ranked on anyways if they're bestsellers. So here, if we expand the scope of Jungle Scout from just looking at the bestseller to the entire query of Merch by Amazon shirts on Let's Go, indexed on Let's Go Darwin, or all of page 1 at least, you can see here they've got medium demand, low competition. Of course, it's hard to really gauge the opportunity score. This tool was meant for FBA, and we know with print on demand, Amazon, generally speaking, like can't be trusted with the number of search results that they actually show. So, you know, take this with a grain of salt as far as the opportunity score goes. They put it as a 6. For FBA, you might be a little bit more excited about that. For merch, I don't trust it. But you can see here, some of these listings are doing, you know, 11,000 a month, 13,000 a month, 1,300 a month, which I would be happy with, 4,500 a month, 463 a month, 3,000 a month, 1,800 a month, 1,400 a month, 2,800 a month. And who knows, again, this could be in its infancy, guys. And I'm going to show you other ways to project like where this trend may be headed. All right. If you install Bubble Scout, the Redbubble niche research and validation tool, and you just use the free version, it's just a Chrome extension that you can get. I can put that in the description as well. We put the top 20 trending searches in Redbubble. So when you go to the website, it's right there in a little table, like a data table at the top of the page. You can see that the number 9 trending search today is Let's Go Darwin. If you use the Keywords Everywhere Chrome extension, which I can list in the description as well, it's free. I think they have a paid version, but I just use the free one. I look up Let's Go Darwin, and you can see it's kind of you know, most trends, and we don't have that much data on it. It looks like this became popular maybe December 22nd or 21st. Oh, that's the one thing I didn't even say recently, is that the earliest upload I can find on Merch by Amazon was December 23rd. So it's only like, what, 11 days ago or something. So it's still really new potentially. And, you know, we don't know. This chart behind us that's showing the search volume on Google could hit a new peak, you know, this week for all we know. It's really about, you know, are people talking about it? Are they wearing the shirts? Is it going viral, etc.? And if we compare this to Let's Go Brandon, you can actually see that it actually took a month for Let's Go Brandon to really top in terms of, I guess, it going viral. You know what I mean? It looks like overnight one night, it just shot up like massively, massively. So it's too early to tell what's going to happen with Let's Go Darwin. Like we said, though, we have seen this before. It wasn't that long ago. Only time will tell if it has the same sales potential. But again, like, you're going to want to be there early instead of late. So yeah, and you guys already know that, obviously. But that's why I'm putting this message out there. So Keywords Everywhere, by the way, is the Chrome extension that I was mentioning a second ago. All right, as far as design, guys, you can make some really quality designs just by using a pre-made graphic and typing some text. I know, such a simple formula. Those of you guys that have been subscribed to my channel probably could have guessed where I was going with this, but it really is that simple if you let it be. So from the makers of All Sunsets, they also have a second site called All American Graphics. I will link to that at the top of the description because it comes to like $3 and change a month for a membership to their site. It's like super cheap, and you can make that back easily, plus profit with just one sale at $19.99 a month. And here are just some of my favorite graphics that you can find on their website. Again, they're pre-made graphics. So the way I do this is I go into, you know, Photoshop or whatever you like to use, Photopea, Canva, Illustrator, you know, I like Photoshop, creature of habit. And I even have a template. So I've already got my text written out. You know what I mean? I just need to click into the text layer, type in, let's go Darwin, and drag and drop the sunglasses, save. Turn off the sunglasses layer, drag and drop the circle American flag, save. Drag and drop this other American flag with the, you know, 6 stars or 5 stars, save. Okay, I got a shooting star graphic behind me that's distressed. Boom, do that one, save. Got the American flag distressed, do that one, save. Now I've got like 5 graphics, or if I use all the graphics behind me, six different designs, and it took me about a minute. Honestly, it'll only take me about a minute to do that. So this is my recommended approach. There's a million ways you can go about doing this, guys. So you don't have to do it my way just because I'm a talking head on YouTube, obviously, but this is how I would do it. This is exactly how I would go about entering this niche. So you don't have to guess. This is what I would do. If you're interested, All American Graphics, it's very cheap to get a annual subscription. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video till the end. If you found it useful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing. Before I leave, wanted to remind you, I wrote a full Merch by Amazon course walking you through how I went from tier 10 to tier 200,000. You can find out more using the link in the description. You guessed it. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great night. I'll see you tomorrow.